There were 5 in the bed, and a skeleton said, "Roll over, move over." So they all shuffled quick, and one fell off. Crazy skeleton! There were 4 in the bed, and a skeleton said, "Roll over, move over." So they all shuffled slow, and one fell off. Funny skeleton! There were 3 in the bed, and a skeleton said, "Roll over, move over." So they all moved slow, and one fell off. Loony skeleton! There were 2 in the bed, and a skeleton said, "Roll over, move over." So they moved real slow, and one fell off. Wacky skeleton! There was 1 in the bed, and then he said, "Come over, come back now." So they all came back and went to sleep. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good
Hi, I'm Len.
I'm Minnie.
Are you ready, kids? Let's go to Teehee Town.